Hello everybody, my name is Jennifer Lomani and today I'm going to present to you guys my storyboard for a student diagnosed with ASD. So I have it in presenter mode because I want you to see the student's viewpoint as well as me, the presenter's viewpoint, since there's some notes that any of the instructors are able to use when assisting teaching the student with ASD using the storyboard. So a little bit about Adam. So Adam is the main character. You'll see him here in the striped shirt. He has the red and striped shirt with the brown hair. So Adam is an 11-year-old boy diagnosed with ASD. Adam wants to play with his peers at the park, but Adam does not know, he doesn't want to play hide and seek. So that's the game that his peers are already playing. So Adam has what we refer to as a special interest. So those are things that most individuals with ASD have. That's something that they really enjoy or really like or that they're really fascinated with. So for Adam, his interest is bugs. So Adam wants to play a game called Sticks and Bugs. And Adam has a hard time engaging with his peers. So in this social storyboard, we're going to help Adam communicate his wants appropriately with his peers. Okay, so when introducing the story, you would want to just give a little bit of background, and you would ask the reader, oh, what do you see? And who do you see? And who do you think this story is about? Just to kind of sort of get their attention before you start the story. And then from there, we'll go ahead and we'll read the story. So, while on the playground, Adam approaches his peers. He wants to tell them about ladybugs, which is his special interest. But the other students do not want to engage with Adam. And then here you'll see the young lady. There's Adam. Let's go over there. He's going to want to play Sticks and Bugs. Hi, ladybugs give people good luck when they land on you. So here you see that Adam is automatically telling the other students about the ladybugs and the good luck that they bring, and then you can see how the other students choose not to engage with him. Here, this slide is titled that we should go. This is how the other students are treating Adam. Run! We should walk away now. He'll follow us. If we walk away now, he'll follow us. The other students do not wish to play with Adam since he only wants to play Sticks and Bugs. And then here you can ask the student, what is something that you like that someone else does not like? And how can we engage the other person in it? Like, I truly love horses. How can I talk to other students about horses without causing them to be bored? Here's Adam all alone. I just wish they would play with me. Adam is left feeling sad and alone. How do you feel if your friends didn't want to play with you? Or if you wanted to play something that your friends wouldn't allow you, how would you feel? Here is where we'll teach the skill of asking for help. This is something that I definitely always try to implement with my students and clients. If you're not able to solve your issues on your own, always seek help from a trusted adult. So Adam speaks to his teacher about the students on the playground. Adam's teacher explains to him that he must engage in activities that other students enjoy, then asks them to engage in his preferred activity. This is also going to teach the student turn taking. The kids on the playground do not want to play with me. Try playing a game that they like, is what the teacher told him. And here we work on building up the courage. I have to remember what Miss L told me. If I play a game that they like first, then I can request a game that I like. Here Adam is asking to join. Adam approaches the student on the playground. May I play with you? We're playing hide and seek. When this game is over, can we play bugs? Sure, we can take turns playing. Adam offered to engage with his peers in the game of hide and seek. Then Adam requested to play bugs once the game is over. The other students agreed and enjoyed their recess time. So this storyboard can be used in a whole group instruction, and then you can also use it for small group instructions. Conflict with peers is something that you're constantly going to see in our field of education, whether it's special education or if you're teaching regular ed, preschool, daycare, always. And then also we can teach a little bit of empathy right here. So we can ask the question to the student, if you were only allowed to play a game that someone else liked that you didn't like, how would you feel? And then from there we can talk about feelings, and from there we can adjust the words that the learner is using to go ahead and teach them the different feelings that they can feel. And this is the end of my presentation for my social skill of resolving peer conflict.